Installation steps of Planetary 150 mechanical steering system. Step 1. Installation of bezel bracket. Place the printed template supplied with the installation manual on the dashboard where the steering helm is to be mounted. Drill 3 small holes and 1 big hole in the center as per the template. Place the bezel brackets on the dashboard and tighten using the hex bolts, washers, and nuts. Step 2. Installation of helm. Insert the steering helm shaft through the center hole in the bezel bracket, ensuring proper direction for entry of the steering cable. Fix the helm with 3 hex bolts and tighten it. Step 3. Installation of bezel cup. Center align the bezel cup around the steering helm shaft. Attach the bezel cup to the dashboard with the 2 screws provided with the bezel kit. Step 4. Installation of steering wheel. Insert the woodruff key into the keyway provided on the helm shaft. Slide the steering wheel on the helm shaft, aligning the keyway and the woodruff key. Insert the washer and tighten lock nut. Fix the trim cap at the center of steering wheel. Step 5. Installation of steering cable. Push the loose end of the steering cable into the helm till it has meshed with the internal gear properly. Now, rotate the steering wheel counterclockwise so as to draw the cable fully into the helm. Cover the loose, exposed end of the cable with the plastic sleeve. Lock the plastic sleeve and end fitting of the cable with screws. Push the engine end of the cable rod through the engine tilt tube. Tighten the nut on the engine tilt tube to hold the cable in place. Step 6. Installation of link arm. Fix one end of the link arm to the eye end of the steering cable rod. Bolt the other end to the brackets of the outboard engine. Step 7. Verification of steering system. Rotate the steering wheel on clockwise and anti-clockwise to check the easy movement of outboard engine. Enjoy effortless steering with MultiFlex.